how to add an occupancy and an inspection to an existing address. The first thing we want to do is log into the database using our unique username and password because we will be making changes to the database. Once logged in, we want to type in the address that we want to add the occupancy and inspection to. In this case, the address is 711 Broadway. There's our address that comes up. We double click on the address to bring it into the action window here. We locate the address that we would like to add our occupancy to. And what we're going to do is make sure that our address information is correct. We're going to verify the parcel number. We're going to verify the map page, which is very important. This is the first leg out of 3 that drives the scheduling of an inspection. So we need to make sure that this map page information is accurate. The property use in this particular case is going to be mercantile because we're going to be adding a liquor store. We're going to verify that the city, state, zip code, station location is accurate, as well as we're going to ensure that this is listed as a suite. If we happen to know the area of the business and the occupant load of the occupancy we're trying to add, we can add that information in here, but if you don't have it, that is okay. So now that we have our address information saved, you see it update right here, we're going to highlight the address where we would like to add our occupancy. And we add our occupancy by clicking on this little person up here. It adds our occupancy in. We highlight the business name and we make our changes. So we add the name of our store, which is Hamilton Liquors. And under occupancy type, we start typing liquor store, and it populates and we select it. We give our status as active. You input your business license information right here. You also add the mailing address, which in this particular case happens to be the actual address of the store. If it was a different address, you would add that information in here. Okay, at this time we want to verify all our occupant information because once we save it, we will not be able to edit our business name. So we just want to check it one more time. It's all correct. We save it here, and our occupant name appears here on the list. Now we need to add an inspection to the occupancy that we just created here. So we highlight our new occupancy here, Hamilton Liquors. We click on Inspections. We click on the little plus sign here at the bottom to add the inspection. We want to select no. We do not want to use a checklist. Again, we need to change the inspection type to commercial. This is very important. This is the second leg that drives the scheduling of the inspection, so we want to ensure that we change this to commercial. We're going to add our reason, which is going to be annual. We're going to change who it's assigned to. In this case, it's 2541A. This is the third leg of what's going to drive the scheduling of the inspection. It's going to follow the shift rotation based on the apparatus and shift that we assign. So we want to ensure that we get this correct as well. We input our scheduled date, which will be today. And now that we have all of our information here, we verify it one more time and we save it. And now the user on the other end is able to access the inspection to do all the data entry that's needed. And that is how you add an occupancy and an inspection to an existing address.